town of Abbeville, the stranger one. He spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make a slip. But a stranger there among them had a big iron on his head, a big iron on his head. It was early in the morning when he rode into the town. He came riding from the south side, slowly looking all around. He's an outlaw loose running, came to whisper from his lip, and he's here to do some business with the big iron on his head, big iron on his head. It was over in a moment and the folks had gathered round. There before them lay the body of the outlaw around. Oh, he might have played living, but he made one fatal slip when he tried to match the ranger with a big iron on his head, big iron on his head, big iron, big iron. When he tried to match the ranger with a big iron on his head, big iron on his head. Well, hidey there pluckers, I was Sawfingers again with you with another classic song from way back when. This one from Marty Robbins, classic sort of cowboy song called Big Iron, with many verses. I think there's about 7 or 8 verses in this song, and they're all played on the guitar exactly the same, obviously with different words. But so once you've got a verse under your belt, you've got the song sorted. There is a little bit extra on the final verse, very simple, but I'll show you that. Okay, so first of all, I am in standard tuning, okay, and I'm not playing with any capos on my demo, so I'm playing it in A minor. Okay, if you want to play along with Marty Robbins' own recordings, you'll have to put a capo on fret 4. He sings it quite high. Okay, I can't do it that high, so I've decided to do it without the capo. Okay, but by all means put capo on fret 4 if you want to play along with Marty Robbins. Okay, and play exactly what I'm about to show you with the capo on 4. Okay, so here we go. So the introduction, very simple. It's just A minor, E7, A minor, stop. Okay, so E7 is the E chord without the fourth, with the 4th string open. 2nd on the 5th, 1st on the 3rd. Yeah. So introduction. That's it. Okay, 2 chords, stop at the end of the A minor, coming back. Okay. Okay, then we go into the introduction, and that's the C chord. You may notice sometimes I'm going to be playing a 4-fingered C. Okay, basic simple C chord, but with that 3rd finger up on the 3rd fret of the bottom E string, and pinky playing the 3rd fret of the 5th string. You can play all 6 strings then. Good for strumming. Okay, and my F is usually like that. Simple F, but with that 3rd finger up to the 3rd fret of the 5th string and pinky playing the 3rd fret of the 4th. Gives you 5 strings to play rather than 4. Okay, and or you could play a bar chord F for that position, but it's up to you. But just so you know, that is an F chord. It's just I'm playing 4-fingered F and a 4-fingered C. Okay, most of the time. So from the beginning, it comes in with after the introduction. To the town, A minor. Hardly, back to C. Spoke folks around him, didn't have too much to. A minor on say. No one, F, dared to ask his business. No one, back to C, dared to make a slip. For the stranger there among them had A minor, big iron on his hip. F, a big iron on his, back to C. And that's it for all the verses. Okay, so we just go through it again to the C. Town of Abbeville, road, A minor, stranger on fire. quickly, let's see, spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to A minor say. No one F dared to ask his business, no one C dared to make a slip. The stranger there among them had A minor, big iron on his hip, F, big iron on his C, hip. Okay? And that's the same for all the verses. So we'll just do the first two verses again like I did in the demo, and then I'll show you how the last verse works with a bit of extra bits on the end of it to finish the song. Okay? So from the beginning, let's do the intro and the first two verses, a bit slower than it is on the record. Okay? It's fairly quick on the record. To the town back of the old stranger from there, hardly spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make a slip. For the stranger there among them had a gun on his head, the gun on his head. Right, go to the second verse now. It was early in the morning when he rode into the town. He came riding from the south side, slowly looking all around. He's an outlaw, loose and running, came the whisper from his lip. And he's here to do some business with the big iron on his hip, big iron on his hip. Right, now the last verse is exactly the same until we get to the end, okay? So, it was over in the moment and the folks had gathered round. Before them lay the body of the outlaw on the ground. Oh, he might have went on living, but he made one fatal slip when he tried to match the ranger with the big iron. Big iron on his head. Big, back to F now. Iron, big C, iron. Last line of the verse again. And he tried to match the ranger with A minor, big iron on his head. F, big iron, C, big A minor. Finish, that's it, that's the way it finishes. Okay, so on the end of the last verse, that when he tried to answer ranger with a big iron on his hip, F, big iron on his hip, and he go big F iron, big, back to C iron, last line, but he tried to match the ranger with a big iron on his hip, F, big iron on his C, F, A minor. Finish, that's it. Right, hopefully that'll help you play that song. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, cowboys.